actually heading to a town called Peterstown. It's about 3 hours from where I am. But what I'm going to go and pick up is one of the saws that I have been wanting for a very long time. And we'll get some of that beautiful scenery, because right now, you know, it's fall, got all those nice fall colors, the gold, the red. Some of it's still green. But we're heading that way. What I do know about this particular saw, it does run, the guy uses it. It does need some parts. The parts that are missing are just little things. They're not huge things, not costly. But let's get some miles underneath this Jeep, shall we? Oh, I'm trading you can see it's laying back there. I'm trading the 266 SE for it. So, yeah, let's get down the road. This is how you know you're in a little small town in West Virginia. There's McDonald's, and there's a woman's state prison across the street. Okay. Just picked up the saw, and it came with another bar and chain, which is awesome. I'm not gonna lie to you, the saw, I mean, in person, it looks pretty bad, but it's all there. And ooh, quit. Okay. It's raining. I had to drive through a little part of Virginia to get to where I was going, but yeah. Now I'm heading right back home. I haven't had service in a little while either. The way that I came up through West Virginia up to Bluefield, which, you know, from my house to Bluefield, it's like 2.5 hours, but it was another 30 minutes from where I needed to go. So yeah, let's put some more miles back on this thing and get out of here. Kelleysville. Not gonna lie, this trip's kind of sucked. It's been like probably 6% 4-lane. All of the rest of it was 2-lane roads. But I'm about 45 minutes away from my house now, so yay for that. Okay. Keep in mind, the bar and chain that came with this saw, the extra bar and chain, was worth the drive. What we have here is a steel 066, but it's not a flat top. And yes, it is a 066. I know it doesn't look like it. Brand new bar and chain. This is a 36-inch bar for this saw. Like I said, it looks rough. It's all there. The only thing it's really missing is a chain brake. But you can tell this thing has been, it's been used. It's it looks rough, I'm not gonna lie. But I'm gonna clean her on up and possibly put some new AV mounts. Definitely get a new handlebar. It definitely needs clean because that bad boy is nasty. But I'm stoked about that bar and chain. That's awesome. And this bar by itself is like over 100, and the chain is like right at 100. I mean, you can tell he's had the bar and the chain for a while and has not used it. That's awesome though. But man, look at this thing. Shoo, she's rough. As soon as I seen the steel on the side pull cover, I was like, I gotta talk to this guy. She's rough, that's for sure. Let's see what she's got under the hood here. Oh, okay. It's got one of those two-step filters, which is okay with me. It's missing. No, it's not. It's just wore out. I was looking at the decomp to see if it was pushed in, but it's not. Probably gonna get some new plastic for it. I don't know if I want to look for one of these or not, because these are really hard to find because it says steel. I might just clean it up and try to paint it. I don't know yet. Definitely gonna get a new pull handle. It's broke. Need a couple screws though. It's missing. It's got the big honking exhaust. 50 to 1 fuel in it. I just threw this thing in the car and left. I didn't even start it up or anything. But I do know that it runs, because he sent me a video that runs, so I know it runs. And it doesn't really sound all that bad. Okay, I am going to go upstairs, because I've been on the road all day and I'm tired and I want to go to bed. I gotta be up at 5 o'clock anyway, so until the next video, you guys have a wonderful day.